So why would we do all the other crap that brokerages or other coaches or, mentors or whatever are trying to tell us to do? Door knocking, cold calling, running a bunch of postcards, trying to get your name out there, get your face out there, go to networking events. What are you talking about? How about if we just advertise to people that are shopping right now on Zillow and Realtor? They've shown an interest in that. Facebook has that list available. I want you to run an ad to them. Hey, it's Greg Luther here, and listen, I want to tell you about an ad that you can run to get in front of the most motivated buyers that are looking to buy and possibly even sell their current home right now. This is a topic of discussion I have with a lot of agents, because one of the biggest questions I get is, Greg, if I were just looking to rebuild everything, if I wanted to really build a big business for myself, even if I'm not starting with a lot here, what approach should I use? Well, this is actually the best approach to use, and it's really the advice that I give to thousands of agents that ask that simple question. If I had to start from scratch, how would I build a big business for myself? This is for agents that have built their business on referral and past clients, which means they're not doing much business. It's just where they get their deals from. So they're doing a couple, 3 transactions a month. They're looking to do a lot more. This is the approach that I would use. So I want you to imagine for a second what a advantage you would have. You'd almost feel like you're cheating in business if you could get a list of all of the people in your area that are looking on Realtor.com and Zillow.com. Can you imagine if you could get that list? So let's say, for instance, all of the buyers that are shopping for homes at 1 o'clock in the morning on their phone when they're laying in bed, they're on Zillow.com or they're on Realtor.com. You'd almost feel like you were cheating the system if you could get that list, right? Well, here's the thing. Facebook has that list. And you can advertise to those people that are interested in Zillow and Realtor.com. That list is available. You can put an offer in front of them. So why would we do all the other crap that brokerages or other coaches or, mentors or whatever are trying to tell us to do? Door knocking, cold calling, running a bunch of postcards, trying to get your name out there, get your face out there, go to networking events. What are you talking about? How about if we just advertise to people that are shopping right now on Zillow and Realtor? They've shown an interest in that. Facebook has that list available. I want you to run an ad to them. Now, the question becomes, and by the way, you can learn more about Facebook ads and some of the marketing we do and that type of thing if you go to luthercall.com. I'll put it in the description here, but write that down. Don't go there now, but go to luthercall.com. You'll get some details about this. But here's an offer that you can do. So now we know what list we're marketing to. You're going to just checkbox that I want to market to those that have an interest in Zillow or Realtor.com. They've recently been there, right? Here's an offer that you're going to present to them. Gain access to a secret list of unlisted homes in the X area. Okay, so again, it's let's call it Columbus, Ohio. Gain access to unlisted properties not available on the internet throughout the Columbus, Ohio area. Put your info in here. So what we do, we use a lead form with Facebook, so we don't need an opt-in page or a website, or you don't even need a website in real estate anymore. You use a simple lead form because that auto-populates their name, email, address, and phone number. Whatever they use to register for their Facebook account, that's what Facebook drops in. It auto-populates that. So then we can run an ad to them. Now, your question is, well, where do we get that secret list, right? If you're a member of Greg Luther Inner Circle, you've been through Foundational Model and you know how you create your secret list of homes, right? We're doing for sale by owners that are in the area. Those are unlisted homes that are not available on the MLS. Expireds that say, hey, we don't really want to relist, but if you have somebody that'll give our price, okay, can I let people know your home's for sale? Great, I have more unlisted homes that are currently available. The stuff you're doing with your Dream Home Finder promotions, that's all unlisted properties, right? They're not listed with you. It's not a pocket listing. You're not hiding anything. They're simply not listed with anyone, but their home is for sale. So you can create a secret list of unlisted properties not available on the MLS. So when you run that ad, These are people that are currently looking on Zillow and Realtor.com. They're frustrated that they're not finding what they want. How do we know we're frustrated? Because they haven't found what they want, right? They're still shopping. So if they didn't find it, it's frustrating. They're finding stuff they don't like. These are opportunities for you to really grow your business. But again, if you look at the fact that we have so much inside data we can use, I can actually get access to people that are within your area, your zip code, your city, your state, whatever, that are looking at Zillow and Realtor.com, and we can market to them. Are you kidding me? What else would you do? Right? So you have to know how to do this. You have to know what to do on your business page, not your personal page in Facebook. You have to know how to put the ad in front of them. You got to know how this system works. And you can get a lot on that at luthercall.com. Anybody that's watching, if you wouldn't mind typing that into the comments. I hate touching my phone while I'm talking. I'm afraid I'm going to blow up the whole internet. But again, it's just www.luthercall.com. I don't know, it's about a 12-minute, 15-minute video that I have there that will show you exactly what to do to start from scratch, right? That number one question, hey, if you were starting from scratch and you had no revenue and you didn't know what to do, how would you build your business? How would you get buyers and sellers? This is the approach I would use. I would run very simple ads, but more importantly, don't just run it to the general public. Nobody's going to reply. You only want to show it to those that are looking to make a move now. So they've demonstrated that through their actions. They've been on Zillow.com, Realtor.com, that type of thing. This is how you build your real estate business. And I think you'll find that the quality of the leads is very strong because, again, they're already frustrated with the fact that they haven't found what they're looking for. So their next step is, hey, let me find some unlisted houses. So thanks, Jacob. What do I have here? Jacob Erica Robinson put in luthercall.com. So you guys should be able to just click on that to see that video. But and same for Cornelius. So this is an example of, many of you saw the video that I did, I think yesterday, about me buying that new SUV. So if I were frustrated that I'd been looking around, and you know how it is when you're buying a car, you'll drive by some car lots, but you do a lot online. You go to Auto Trader, or you go to Kelley Blue Book, or I forget the one that I filled in that sold my lead to a couple of the dealerships there. But if I couldn't find what I wanted, imagine if I got an email that said, hey, you want to get access to the best the best cars before they hit the car lot? I can get you secret insider access. We have, if I were buying a used car, we have an auction number that we can use. You want to use our auction certificate to go get things at dealer price? I'd be like, heck yeah, that's exactly what I want, right? I'll go meet you at 8 o'clock at night after your dealership closes and have coffee with you. Like, now all of a sudden you're not a salesperson, you're a helpful person. Right? So they're not trying to get a sale. They actually have something that I can't get anywhere else. Tremendous opportunity. So I want you to think about how you're going to run your ad and what you're going to do and say. Again, I'll teach you all of that. We did a full day training on this called the Generate and Convert Conference. We did a full training on this just a couple of months ago. You'll learn about it there on luthercall.com. But the key is look, let's say we're going fishing. I do a lot of analogies, as you guys know, but let's say we're going fishing, right? So if we are going fishing, what we need is two things. We need really good bait, and we need to fish where the type of fish that we want are there, and they will bite on that bait. Right? So when we're marketing, you don't want to just market to the general public. Now you're a salesman, right? Now you're begging for business. Hey, you thought about buying or selling a house? Hey, you guys looking to buy or sell? That's not going to get you anywhere. You're begging for business. Even if they did want someone, they're not going to use you. However, if we know they're on Zillow and Realtor.com, motivated, ready, searching now, 1 o'clock in the morning, this is what's on their mind. Their pillow talk was, hey, our lease is up here in 2 months. We need to think about owning a house. Then they jump on Zillow. Facebook's got them. You need to be marketing to them. So hopefully that makes sense for you. Check out some details on that. Again, luthercall.com. Hopefully that's helpful for you. I'm getting ready to jump on a webinar here in just a few minutes. We've got a little over 500 agents that are going to be on a webinar here today. And hopefully that's been helpful for you. If there's any questions you have, shoot me a direct message or reach out to me here. I'd love to help you with growing your business. But again, the right bait, fishing in the right pond, you're going to catch yourself a lot of good fish. I'll talk to you soon. I'm Greg Luther, gregluthercoaching.com, and we'll talk later. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.